Hello, my name is Brian Corbita. This is my project 3 for CS 122A. So what I did for my project was make an RPG game. How it works is there are it has a power button which turns on the game, and then from there it goes into an overworld screen where it shows where the player is and the end goal that he has to reach. Then afterwards, if depending on the difficulty that you set beforehand, before turning on the game, you will encounter a different number of enemies. Upon encountering a different number of enemies, you can fight them, and if he fights them and wins, then there you go. And then he reaches the end. You win the game, which resets back. I'll just show the demo how it works. So I'll compile it. Right. Right now it's off. You can turn it on. There's different difficulties. So we'll start off with cakewalk. What you can do is you can move down, and then you reach the end. Upon reaching the end, you can go back there, and then let's turn it off just to be sure. Okay, so what you saw earlier, B7 was the power button. It's off when it's off. Everything else is off, and when it's on, it just shows that the system's running. The end goal was shown in B6, and then B7, and then B0 was the player's position. The extra blips that show up in between the end goal and the player are enemies. So, for example, we'll walk over to this enemy right now. So there we go. We'll face this enemy right here. Upon encountering the enemy, you go into the battle screen. Upon the battle screen, it shows the player's health over here and the enemy's health over here. And then you get prompted for you'll get prompted for the actions that you could do during battle. First one is attack, so we'll try out attack. Attack, and then we attack a couple more times. And so the enemy is, so it damages the player, also damages the enemy, but after the enemy's damage, after the player attacks, the enemy will attack afterwards. The other option is for healing, so the enemy will so then you can heal. And then additionally, you can also retreat. Retreating makes you leave the battle, but as a result, you take damage. So after which, you can go down here, and then you will, upon retreating, you move up ahead, and then you will have, you move ahead by one, which is why the blip shows up here of the player, and then he moves ahead, and then upon reaching the end, the game reset, and the enemy was still alive. So you could, what also happens here is that you can also, we'll go back here. We'll do the fight again. All right, so we'll attack. Since the player attacks first, you'll win the encounter. Upon doing that, you beat the enemy. This is the player now, and then when you move ahead, the enemy is no longer there, showing that it's been defeated. And then you reach here, the goal, and you win. Then let's do it again, but instead we'll do we'll do it with medium mode. So there you go, we have our new field. So we'll move up ahead, and we'll fight this enemy here. Attack. Do it one more time. Oh, wait, back. Okay. Hold on, my bad. I forgot that we go back here. Oh yeah. So also earlier it showed that we died. My bad. That's what. Upon dying, the game restarts itself, which is why we started over there. And so we'll attack them. Back, and then the game restarts itself. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to the game.